Brent is an expert, as you heard in his bio, around employee benefits. So, Brent, I want to bring you on at this point. First of all, by welcoming you, thank you for being on the show. We're excited to have you. I'm excited to learn more about your golf game. But first, let's talk a little bit about employee benefits and insurance and maybe the state of where we find ourselves, at least in the state of Washington.
Well, thank you for having me. I'm super excited to talk to you about employee benefits. And typically when we talk to our clients about employee benefits, I would say 85–90% of the conversation is around the health plan and the rising costs and what's behind all those costs. And then we talk a bit about dental and vision, disability, and retirement plans after that. But in the state of Washington, it varies from state to state, but in the state of Washington, if you're under 50 employees, you really just have a couple of different options to buy your health plan. You can buy your health plan directly from one of 5 different insurance companies. By the way, when I got into this business over 30 years ago, there were 19 different insurance companies in the state of Washington that you could buy a health plan from. And I can also remember a day when the rate for a single employee back in the late 80s was less than $100 for an extremely rich medical plan. Those days are long gone, and we've got some clients now whose rates are over $1,000 a month for a single employee. But nonetheless, we can talk about what goes into those numbers and how those numbers came to be. But if you're a small employer, you can buy from directly from one of the 5 insurance companies we have left, or you can join a multi-employer association, maybe somebody like the Association of Washington Business, the Master Builders Trust, and there's a whole host of multi-employer health benefit plan offerings that could be advantageous depending on your industry, your employee demographics.
I've been feeling like a shark in a shrimp tank. Big fish, small pond in the shrimp tank.